So guys, good thing that happened today. Our lawnmower caught fire. I've never had that happen before, but look at that sucker. That is definitely on fire. Alright, let me try and explain to you what had just happened right here. So I was mowing the lawn, right? And I'd gotten all of the lawn mowed and everything, and I was on my last little thing. And I'd mowed it into a circle and so I could rake it up. And I was trying to get back to the garage to put it away, and all of a sudden it just stopped and died. Wow. Yeah, that thing is done for. I wonder what happened. I'm guessing a stray leaf got in there. Or a few stray leaves. I told you we needed a new one.
Oh my gosh.
That one moved
Oh yeah.
ramp in the car, so you're gonna bring the fire.
And I looked ahead of me and at my mom and a couple of people that were here helping us do yard work and stuff. And totally, it was smoking and everything. And the people that I was looking at were just like, oh, get off of that. And it was crazy. So apparently they told me later that they saw fire in the headlights. And oh my gosh, that's exactly what I saw too when I got off of it and I ran away. Because I thought the gas can was going to explode, which would have been awesome for footage, but the fire department got here. Come on, just explode.
I mean, you can definitely tell it started right in here somewhere.
Yeah. Right where the main fire was at? Yep. Yep, but it was right up around the muffler. All those leaves.
You get this very often this time of year?
No, not really.
No.
I told you.
Lawnmower fires are very they're hard. I mean, you don't get them a whole lot. Tractor fires, I mean, you get field fires and tractor fires a couple times a year. Little lawnmowers, I don't know. I don't know if some people don't even bother calling 911 if they catch on fire.
Maybe.
I mean,
I was hoping to make it through this year with this, right?
Well, you did. You're done.
yeah, the year's over. I mean,
Pretty much.
what I was getting ready to do was mow my yard for the last time when this happened.
Try it Monday.
Yeah.
I don't know where you can get a good mower cheap.
Runs a little hot.
Work fire out.
Yeah.
Do not try to save any of the
That's the
fuel
steering
engine at
wheel.
all because it's gone.
Fire out.
Our poor new battery.
We'll remain on scene for just a few minutes.
Yeah. And put water in the gas can so that it wouldn't explode. It's kind of sad, but
Yeah, the fuel's no good. I filled it with water, so if it decided to drip through the lines any at all, it wouldn't.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Several lawnmowers.
Yeah. You know, I got my little, walk behind mower.
I'll soak it down one more time just to try to cool it off.
wow. little crazy, but what we believe happened is that some leaves got up into the engine and caught fire, and then that just, the domino effect just completely destroyed the thing. That's a really old lawnmower too. I swear that's like 8 years old. I don't know. I'll have to ask my mom.
That'll still steam a little bit. I think there was something about
Yeah.
because it was dangerous or something.
I say good riddance. I didn't like this thing anyways.
But that won't hold air.
Yeah, that's pretty much what happened there. And then we just watched it ensue. All the destruction and everything. But yeah, that is crazy. All of the rubber on the lawnmower is completely just melted.
Hang on. Hey Victor, you want a lawnmower?
Huh?
You want a lawnmower?
Oh, yeah.
Come up here and get it with your flatbed.
You what?
Come up here and get it with your flatbed.
That is just too crazy.
At Christmas time, you'll see like pumpkin plants.
Oh my goodness, that was exciting. Must have been all plastic too. Oh,
And it's like melted into the ground too. The wheel from the mower is melted into the ground. Like it's just there. It's crazy to look at.
yeah, well, melted and slid through.
All right,
Yeah,
there's the wheel melted entirely.
Plastic.
But that means it's time to get a new mower, which we have been trying to decide for quite some time. That will definitely help out our decision. So overall, pretty good Saturday. Little bit of a surprising Saturday, but it was awesome.